a smaller pyramid.
Khafre boat.
A smaller pyramid.
Inside wood. Some look like simple planks. Others have more elaborate shapes. What are they doing under the pyramid? At the nearby conservation center, Director of Restoration Essa Zeden heads up a team that stores the wooden pieces as they come out of the pit.
This is a storeroom of organic artifacts. This storeroom controlled by humidity and temperature.
Essa keeps the ancient wooden pieces safely locked and wrapped up. He was the first person to touch them since the ancient Egyptians.
4,600 years, very long time. I can't believe that I am the man who touched it for the first time.
Craftsmen have assembled the wooden pieces. They form a boat.
Pharaoh
Frame boat.
Deep, a smaller pyramid. Why do the...
This is the first boat of King. It was founded in about 1,224 pieces, including the oars.
Restorers took almost 20 years to carefully preserve and then rebuild this ancient vessel.
It was in very good conditions, and the wood is very strong.
Khufu's royal boat comes in neatly laid out pieces. It's an ancient Egyptian flat-pack design. The pieces have holes so you can tie them together into a ship that you can easily take apart and rebuild. Archaeologists think that similar flat-pack boats were carried overland in pieces to the Red Sea, to be assembled so they could ship in copper from the Sinai. And on the Nile, they carried seriously heavy cargo. Precious building blocks for the Great Pyramid. Archaeologists discovered that this boat has a very special design.
Egypt.
Boat.
Pharaoh sunk in Egypt. Treasure. A smaller pyramid.
Pyramid.
Pharaoh Khafre.
Boat.
Pharaoh Khafre.
Deep pyramid.
Over 5,000 years old. Why do the deep, a smaller pyramid?